What's up YouTube? This is the cinematic on foot look thing. Yes, it is a thing at the Carhartt Work in Progress Nike collab. But this time we're going to be looking at the Air Force One. So let's go and have a look at that. Hey YouTube, I hope you liked that. Ton of fun as always putting that together. It's been a bit of a challenge than the last few ones, trying to get the camera to focus on the shoe. But focus it did, and what an amazing shoe this is. It is the Carhartt Work in Progress AF1 from Nike. It is, I think, not fundamentally, but you know what I mean. Monumentally, fundamentally, all the LEs, it is the best collab I think that Nike have done for a very, very long time. And that includes all the Nike SB collabs. This shoe definitely, truly represents what Carhartt is. It feels, it looks, it has little nods to Carhartt. I will say, I didn't really call out much last time on the unboxing, which will be probably somewhere there. I didn't call out the fact that the laces are absolutely banging. Now I don't know if you can see that, like take a look at the, don't look at this, look at this, look at this, come on, focus, look at this. These laces are absolutely amazing. They fit so well, they work so well with this shoe. I don't think I also called out the fact that obviously this is the Hamilton Brown here. We've also got these brass, or brass, depending on where you're from, eyelets, which work really, really well in the shoe. As always with an AF1, it is super, super comfy. It looks so good on foot. SJ actually commented that randomly they made my feet look small. Not convinced they do, but I'll take that, because I always think this is such a chunky shoe. And in fact, I'm gonna bring it in and hopefully the camera, let's have the camera focus. Like, look at that. Just look at that. That is an amazing shoe. Right, we're going to focus back on me. Ping, ping, zoom. It's back on me. It's weird doing these things by yourself. Yeah, you have to kind of keep touching the screen like that. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I know lots of you have got these. Why don't you tag us on Instagram and we can see how you actually wearing them? Because I've seen a fair few pictures out there. I've even seen the kid, the toddler version. I really, really want the toddler version for my desk. It'd be so cool to have that shoe sat on my desk. Absolutely banging shoe. So nice, so warm, so bouncy like an AF1. Definitely worthwhile. Did you get it? Let us know in the comments. Tag us on Instagram with Pint of Stuff so we can see them. Sorry, microphone's done a funny thing there. It's just falling down the wayside. I'll just get that back up. There we go, we've got it back. What do you think? What collab have you been most impressed with by Nike? They do a lot, and I think they're going to do even more this year. But which one have you been most impressed with? For me, it's these, but I'm sure you've got a favourite. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell somewhere down there. Yep, it's definitely down there. Don't forget to do that. And of course, we will see you on Sneaker Streaming Sundays. As always, everybody, what is Sneaker Streaming Sundays? It's where we all get together and we kind of chat about sneakers and stuff, but not the store. Just stuff I got to stop making that joke. It's really, really bad, isn't it? It's really bad. Anyway, yeah, it's on Sunday nights, 8 p.m. UK time. That's about 12 p.m. on the Pacific, and that's usually 3 p.m. on the East Coast, unless some weird time zone thing has happened, or somehow we've dragged the two continents together and made them a little bit closer, because it would be so much easier getting about the place if America was just a little bit closer. Anyway, everybody, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. SJ, do you like these shoes? Thought so. Ha ha.